All right, so we just got the Turbofan. We're gonna break it out of the box and check it out. All right, we gotta get the thing off of it. Why do they always put these things on here? It doesn't want to come off. Got it. Ready? Let's take a look. Ta-da! It does come with instructions. And this is it right here, dude. That is it. Bam. I do believe on the bottom here, you've got your on and off button and your charging button. And here, looks like a light or something. I don't see the button on it though. How's it turn on? Wait a minute, what's this say? Danger. Must be 18. Don't point it at your face. All right, so let's take a look at this. All right, so turn it on. We press this. And then it's ready to go. And then on the side here, there's a couple buttons. You see that? So I think we press that. That's the light. Here, light. And this is holy crap. It's really strong. It's really strong. So it has three different powers. Like one, not too bad. Unbelievably loud. Turn it off. Bam. And then you've got your cord. You got your cord right here. Put it in like that. Then you have to plug this into the wall. So there's your wall. Plugged in, ready to go. And we're charging her up. You'll notice, like when you plug this in here, right here, this light goes on, right? See that? So when you unplug it, light goes off. So you're gonna see that when you're charging it. So there's our charge station, right? And you probably wanna read this because man, the thing really blows hard. You know what I mean, jelly beans? But that's it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.